Hello to everyone who likes gardens and walks. Today we have more gardens and walks, but still you will see a lot of interesting stuff. And I hope very inspiring because I will show you today ideas for containers planting. I was lucky with this garden because I had opportunity to shoot it in spring with beautiful Fritillaria imperialis, absolutely fantastic tulips mixed with another pots where conifers are growing, and all together it looks just beautiful. You can see it. And the second time it was absolutely different planting, and you too will see it, and it was summer planting. It's clearly showing what it's easy to change planting when it's planted in the container. Sometimes it's also easier to maintain, especially if the plant required some soil condition or very acidic or very alkaline. And of course the plants not static in the containers. So, for example, move beautiful tree and create shade where you need in summer, because in spring it could be different. If you don't have soil, you could just use planting in the containers and put them on the patio, on the windowsill, even on the table. You will see it later in my video. Planting in the containers gives you flexibility. You could move pots around and change composition. You could move plants around and change functionality. You could, for example, create shade. You could screen unwanted subjects. And let's be honest, how many gardens you've seen which doesn't have any pot? Not very often. And there is reason for that. This is the same garden in summer. Look at this transformation.
Marinas cruzadas.
No, it's very good to part on the sport
Look at this corner. Look at the chimneys.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it. So please put your thumb up, leave your comment and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And I hope we will enjoy our next walk together. But for today, I have to say goodbye. Have a nice day. And see you next time.